If Telegram is showing failed to connect on your iPhone and messages aren't loading or sending, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Close Telegram completely from the app switcher. Reopen the app and check if it connects properly. If it does not work, here are some advanced solutions until you are done. Solution 1. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for a moment. Open your iPhone settings. Make sure that VPN is not connected. Solution 2. Check iPhone network settings. Again, go to iPhone settings. Tap cellular. Scroll down cellular data and make sure Telegram allows data. Step 3. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Now reset network settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi and mobile network settings. Now restarting your iPhone to clear temporary network glitches. After the restart, open Telegram again and test the connection. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.